Okay, our next game po is the basketball
Tabi mo.
games. Okay, alam niyo po yung basketball games. Not yet pa po. Okay.
Okay lang yan, mabalik naman eh.
Mukha para.
Okay, ganito lang po. Pag sinabi ko po, dribble, okay, dribble, double, mas mataas po pag double, and then exhibition. Kahit exhibition or ganito po. Okay, ulitin ko po. Pag sinabi ko po, dribble, double, exhibition, and then pag sinabi kong pass to number 2, you're number 2 man. You're number 1, sir. 1, 3, 4. The same with Kagatlabe. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, tandaan niyo po yung number niyo. And then, when I say shoot, you have to shoot here, you have to go here and then shoot the
Kaya
ball.
nauna siya eh.
Okay, into the basket.
Hindi
Shoot
tayo
po
inaantay.
yung ball, tayo hold na lang po
Nauna na
natin
siya.
and then shoot.
Hindi niya tayo inaantay.
Okay?
Mag-goal nga muna tayo,
Punta
te-text
po
na lang.
tayo dito. You have to go here na lang po and then shoot into the basket. For make it 1 point. First to make 5 points or win this game. Okay, 5 points lang po ito. Yes.